Hello, and thank you for choosing autotradestar.com. To start auto trading, first click Exchanges and Brokers. After that, over here at the top, click Add Exchange or Broker. Then click Kraken. Now that you've arrived to this screen for inputting API key and private key from Kraken, go to kraken.com. After that, please sign into kraken.com or sign up. After you've done that, go to pro.kraken.com, pro.kraken.com. After you've gone here, go to the top right hand corner, click this button. Next, click Settings. After that, you'll be presented with this page. From the tabs up here, look for API and click API. Now this is where you'll create API keys to input into autotradestar.com. And to create one, you can simply click Create API Key. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name this one ATS for Autotradestar Kraken API 1. And checkmark the permissions query open orders and trades, query closed orders and trades, create and modify orders, and cancel and close orders. These are the only permissions you should be checking for every API you're going to link to autotradestar.com. Finally, click Generate Key. Then you'll be provided with an API key and a private key for this API you have just created. Then copy the API key back into AutoTradestar for API key. And then come back to pro.kraken.com and then copy private key from the API you've just generated into autotradestar.com for private key. And you can name this API, this connected API, whatever you want. I recommend naming it the same name that you have on Kraken. So ATS Kraken API 1. Finally, connect Kraken account. And if you've successfully copied the correct credentials, you have now connected your Kraken API that will be trading on behalf of your Kraken account.